Hey, hello guys. Brian back at the Vechain Vet Token Update. I honestly don't think that Vechain has ever looked like it is going to make a bigger move than it has now. Everything is lining up for this thing, and it's going to blow your mind here. All the technicals, the RSIs, it's insane how good this thing is looking. Okay, first I want to show you a couple things leading up here first. Okay, first off is obviously Bitcoin. That thing runs this market. Okay, I believe it was making a move as I was making this video. It's up 2.4% to 170 something. Okay, it's running right up here against that resistance. This is on the daily. You can see that resistance it's running into there. That former resistance was turned into resistance. Okay, it's run into that and stalled out so far, but the daily RSI for Bitcoin is reset. Okay, which is beautiful to see. You definitely want to see that. Look at the monthly. Look at the monthly RSI on this thing. This hasn't happened. Okay, right down there. It's coming up. It's bullish. Hasn't happened. Hasn't been that low since our retrace in 2019 when Bitcoin went up. Let's check this out. 300%. Okay. Then this one here, this one right over here was the bull run. Okay. Then it came sliding down the other side of the bear market. Okay, it's turned up. It's bullish on the monthly, which is beautiful. Okay, the weekly is turned over and is coming down. But let's put this back on the daily a second, because I got something to show you guys. All right, if this looks familiar to you guys, I want to show you something here very quickly. Okay, and I'd like your opinion on it, if it looks similar or not. Okay, this here. Okay. Let me move this up here. Well, maybe if I can grab a hold of it, isn't going to let me. Okay, well anyway, that and this. Okay, alright, you see similarities in this thing. We had our higher high, the next, or dip, our next higher high, then our rollover. Okay, because everybody's talking about this breakout right here that Bitcoin had. It came back, retested, and then blasted off. Okay, Bitcoin has never came back and retested this the 25,000 area. Okay, so I want to show you something here real quick, and it's might blow your mind here. Okay, looks like it fits to me. Okay, if we take right here this bar pattern right up to there, okay, we pull it up here on the Bitcoin. I gotta tweak it just a bit, but looks pretty good, huh? I don't know, looks like it. That would make sense. You know, it would come down, touch at 25, and then bounce from there. You know, they say price action repeats itself. I've seen this many other times in this market. Okay, especially with Bitcoin. But I wanted to show you that the Bitcoin dominance is running into resistance here. Okay, it has this channel. This is on the daily chart. I want this on the weekly, so I can make this a little bit more easier to go through here. Okay, last time it was reset on the daily was here. Okay, it ran up to the top of the daily. Then the daily ran down the other side, right there, down and reset again. Okay, the daily ran up, got rejected, ran down the other side again. Okay, got reset right down there. We had this run up to here, and then the fall down the other side. Okay, look down at the bottom, the RSI reset again. We've had this run up, and it's gotten rejected. And if it runs down this other side, down to the 38, 39 area, you're looking at, I don't know about an alt season, but the altcoins are going to run like crazy. Okay, last time this thing fell was June of 2022, and the altcoins ran like mad when this thing rolled over. So it's been a while, because this weekly, and that thing rolls over, that Bitcoin dominance, these altcoins are going to take off. All right, the falling dollar, the DXY, This thing has been running into massive problems up here. Okay, the monthly on it is down at the bottom. The weekly is down towards the bottom, and the daily is overextended. Okay, I expect this thing to break this resistance down here at that 100.7 and roll down here for this fifth wave. Okay, if we take this DXY, this is the dollar chart, okay, and we invert it, we flip it upside down, that would be a textbook breakout. Okay, you had your resistance, breakout of resistance, back test, and continuation. Okay, now this down here on that RSI, that thing is showing, you know, it had this high here, and the next high was definitely a weaker high, so it's definitely showing weakness. Okay, a lot of people have been talking about this thing rolling over, but nobody's been talking about this 5-wave down. Definitely looks like a 5-wave Elliott wave down to me. So let's get back to Vechain here. Let me show you guys what I see with this thing that's going to blow your mind. Okay, the daily, whoops, let's get on here. This is on the daily. If you look at the RSI down at the bottom, okay, once again, all right, we're reset on there. The weekly is still coming down, but look at this. Look at that monthly. For the first time in Vechain's history, we are at the bottom of the monthly. Okay, the first time ever that this thing has, you know, since the RSI started running on here, we're down there. And the thing is bullish right now. So we have that daily RSI reset. We have the 12-hour just turning up. Okay, what about the 8? The 8 is about halfway up, but all of our higher ones except our weekly, okay, and that thing could flip up anytime. You know, a lot of times these things don't even go the whole way to the bottom. You can see over here, you can see here that it's flipped back up. You know, numerous times this thing will just turn back up and go. I love seeing that daily and that monthly at the bottom. Okay, last time these dailies have been at the bottom, we've got some nice returns out of these things. Okay, right here, this one went up 37%. This one here ran up 45%. This one here, not even going to get to the whole bottom there, but it ran well to the top of that, 55%. You know, so this one here looked like a little bit of a dud. How much was that one? Still a decent move. You know, 13%. So you can see when this thing resets, we get some beautiful moves, especially on that daily. That monthly gets me super excited. This thing's ready to go. So thank you very much, guys. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching my video.